The Sony Xperia 3 is not just another smartphone, it's a statement of engineering perfection, compact design, and cinematic excellence. In a world where most flagship phones are getting larger, Sony stands tall by delivering performance and luxury in a perfectly compact frame. Let's start with the design. The Xperia 3 looks and feels like a true Sony device, simple, elegant, and beautifully crafted. It has a premium aluminum frame, flat edges, and a matte glass back that feels solid yet sophisticated. The minimalist approach gives the phone a professional look, and its slim profile makes it easy to hold even with one hand. Sony's design has always been timeless, and the Xperia 3 continues that legacy effortlessly. Moving to the display, Sony once again proves why it leads the display game. The Xperia 3 features a 6.1-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are deep, blacks are pure, and brightness is excellent. Watching movies, scrolling social media, or playing games feels lifelike and immersive. It's not just a display, it's an experience that only Sony can deliver. Now, powering this beauty is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Performance-wise, it's a beast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and gaming performance is top-notch. Whether it's Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, or high-end editing apps, the Xperia 3 handles everything without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about the camera, because that's where Sony truly shines. The Xperia 3 comes with a triple 50-megapixel ZEISS lens setup, delivering unmatched clarity and depth. You get ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto lenses that work perfectly in all lighting conditions. The photos look natural with true-to-life colors and superb detail. Thanks to Sony's alpha camera technology, this phone captures cinematic shots effortlessly. Low-light photography is stunning, and dynamic range is impressive. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, this phone's camera won't disappoint. Video recording is another major highlight. The Xperia 3 supports 4K HDR recording at 120fps, letting you create professional-grade slow-motion videos with crystal clarity. The stabilization is rock solid, and the cinematic tone mapping gives your videos a professional look, straight out of the box. Battery life is another win for Sony. With its 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, you'll easily get through an entire day of heavy use. It also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it a complete all-rounder.